Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's expand on the significance and impact of bill to cost in a contact center. Significance of bill to cost, profitability indicator. Bill to cost is a powerful profitability indicator for contact center operations. It clearly shows whether a contract or an operation is profitable, breaking even, or running at a loss. A ratio greater than 1 means the billings exceed the delivery costs and the operation is profitable. A ratio close to 1 means the operation is just breaking even, with no meaningful profit buffer. A ratio below 1 means the operation is unsustainable because costs are higher than the revenue generated. This is why bill to cost is often one of the first financial KPIs reviewed during pricing, contract renewals, and margin health assessments. Significance of bill to cost, pricing and negotiation benchmark. Bill to cost is a critical reference point during contract pricing and renegotiation discussions. It helps vendors understand exactly how much pricing flexibility they have. If the ratio is strong, vendors may be able to offer discounts, loyalty incentives, or flexible terms without hurting profitability. But if the ratio is weak, they know they must push for higher rates or restructure the contract to maintain financial health. In short, bill to cost provides the commercial clarity needed to negotiate with confidence. Significance of bill to cost, operational efficiency measure. Bill to cost is not just a financial ratio. It's also a powerful operational efficiency measure. Even when bill rates are fixed, optimizing operational costs can significantly improve the ratio. Reducing shrinkage, lowering average handle time, and managing attrition effectively all help decrease the cost per unit, which strengthens profitability. In this way, bill to cost acts as a bridge between financial KPIs and operational performance metrics, aligning frontline execution with bottom-line outcomes. Significance of bill to cost, strategic business planning. Bill to cost is a key input in strategic business decision-making. It guides leadership on whether to scale, renew, or exit specific accounts based on margin performance. This is especially critical in multi-client contact centers, where profit margins can vary significantly across contracts. By monitoring bill to cost closely, organizations can prioritize high-value accounts, address underperforming ones, and make smarter growth and investment decisions. Impact of bill to cost on contact center profitability. Bill to cost has a direct and powerful impact on contact center profitability. It defines the gross margin earned on each contract. For example, a ratio of 1.5 means a 50% profit margin. But a ratio of 0.9 means a 10% loss on every billed dollar. Even small movements in this ratio can make a significant difference to overall profitability. This is why contact centers monitor it closely to ensure contracts remain financially healthy. Impact of bill to cost on client relationship. Bill to cost doesn't just affect profitability. It also plays a critical role in shaping client relationships. If the ratio is too high, clients may feel they're being overcharged, which can lead to pressure for renegotiation or rate adjustments. If the ratio is too low, vendors may struggle to maintain service quality, cut corners, or even choose to exit the contract altogether. A balanced bill to cost ratio ensures sustainable partnerships where both the client and the vendor benefit, driving trust, stability, and long-term collaboration. Impact of bill to cost on workforce management. Bill to cost is closely tied to workforce management practices. High labor costs driven by overtime, frequent attrition replacements, or low occupancy can quickly shrink the ratio and reduce profitability. On the other hand, contact centers with strong WFM discipline, including optimized schedules, effective shrinkage control, and balanced staffing, are able to maintain healthier ratios. Good workforce management doesn't just improve operational efficiency. It directly strengthens the financial foundation of the business. Impact of bill to cost on service levels and customer experience. Bill to cost has a direct influence on service levels and overall customer experience. When the ratio is squeezed, vendors may be forced to cut staffing or limit investments. This can lead to slower response times, longer average wait times, and declining customer satisfaction scores. But when the ratio is healthy, vendors have the financial flexibility to invest in training, AI solutions, and service quality enhancements. This creates a stronger operational backbone, protects service level commitments, and elevates the customer experience. Impact of bill to cost on strategic growth and investment. A consistently strong bill to cost ratio fuels long-term strategic growth. When the ratio is healthy, vendors can confidently scale up operations, invest in AI and automation to reduce future costs, and expand into new geographies or service lines. But when the ratio is weak, reinvestment becomes limited. Vendors get stuck in what's often called a cost trap, where all revenue goes into sustaining operations, leaving little room for innovation or expansion. A strong bill-to-cost ratio doesn't just protect today's margins, it unlocks tomorrow's growth potential. Impact of bill-to-cost on risk management. Bill-to-cost plays a critical role in financial risk management. Sudden cost spikes, like wage inflation, rising attrition costs, or unexpected increases in technology license fees, can quickly collapse the ratio and threaten profitability. However, smart contract structures that tie the bill rate to inflation or performance can help protect financial stability and keep the ratio within a healthy range. In this way, bill to cost acts as an early warning signal, allowing vendors to manage risks proactively rather than reactively. Summary: bill to cost. Bill to cost is more than just a financial metric. It's a profitability lifeline KPI. For vendors, it determines survival and growth. For clients, it influences pricing fairness and the quality of service delivered. For operations, it creates a direct link between efficiency metrics like average handle time, shrinkage, and occupancy, and overall financial performance. A healthy bill-to-cost ratio strikes the right balance, ensuring vendor profitability, maintaining client affordability, and sustaining customer experience quality. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.